Ang dami kong napapanood ng mga ganitong video na model daw ng isang perpetual motion. At kiniklaim ng marami na nag-work daw ito. Posible kaya? Hello there, this is Doubts. Ano ba muna ang isang perpetual motion? Ang perpetual motion ay isang device that can do work or operate indefinitely or walang katapusan nang walang kahit na anong external energy sources like gasoline, solar energy, electricity or kahit na anong source ng energy. Naakit ang maraming inventors sa idea na ito kasi napakalaking pagbabago nga naman kung merong makaimbento nito, di ba? Kung magkataon hindi mo na kailangan ng gasolina para mapaandar yung sasakyan mo. At hindi mo na rin kailangan mag-jumper.
Yung jumper, bakit mo sumama?
Sa tingin mo tama ba yung jumper? Ano ba, tama ba ron?
Ayaw mo sumasabog yung jumper kung tama.
Wala ka nang poproblemahing bill. It's really a game changer. But the problem is, hindi siya nag-work. Dahil vina-violate nito ang laws of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics says that energy cannot be created or destroyed. It only changes forms like potential energy to kinetic energy. Katulad dito sa video na to, alam naman natin na pag may contact ay may friction. Even air particles can cause friction. And friction produces heat. Heat is a form of energy and it eventually be transferred to the air in a process. So kung re-review natin, this device will start to work by an internal energy. And that energy will be converted into kinetic energy, which is then converted into heat energy due to friction, resulting in dissipation into surrounding air molecules, and eventually the device will shut down due to energy depletion. Simply, you can't get out more energy than you put in, kasi maraming dahilan ng pag-escape ng energy. And also, these videos are edited. Tandaan nyo na isang law pa lang yung nadidiscuss natin sa laws of thermodynamics. At marami pang bagay na dapat i-consider like center of mass. Pero hindi ko sinasabing 100% na hindi na mag-i-exist yung perpetual motion. Kasi marami pa rin tayong hindi nauunawaan sa universe natin. Malay mo, ikaw na yung makadiscover ng unang perpetual motion.